DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. It's been a while since I said that, guys. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video or posted anything. I do apologize. I didn't mean to go this long without posting something. Just been real busy lately at home with family and, you know, the holidays, and just enjoying my time with my son and my wife. So anyway, guys, I apologize. I'm going to try to get back into the swing of things and keep posting at least one video every week. It might be a little rocky at first, but we will get there. And actually, this is actually the first job I've really done on a car in actually a while. So anyway, without rambling on, we're back in this 2010 Ford E250. And we have 216,900 miles on the clock. And we have a check engine, or not a check engine light, we have an oil light. And today we are going to be doing an oil change. Customer states he's overdue for an oil change, and we're going to do an oil change today. So I thought this would be a good time to go ahead and bring you along. It's just a little oil change, but at least it gives me a video to upload, as well as we've done brakes on this car before. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got our drain plug there, and at least on this application it's going to be a 16 millimeter. We're going to go ahead and crack that loose and drain out the oil. And it's also important, I'll show you guys when I get out. At the top, we took off the oil cap so that it can breathe better and drain better. Also, it's very cold out, so it's good to heat up the engine just a little bit to help with the draining. So let's go ahead and crack that loose. We got our drain pan handy. And I have a feeling I'm gonna make a mess because of the angle I'm at. Feels like it's been cross-threaded, which I'm really hoping it hasn't. Alright guys, so we finally got it draining. We're going to go ahead and let that drain. And I'll take you guys to the top, show you how we, well, I don't have to show you guys how, but you can take my word for it. We went ahead and took the fill cap off so that it can drain better. So we're gonna go ahead and let this drain, and then we'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so we finished draining it. We put the drain plug back in, and we torqued it down to 20 foot-pounds. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove, sorry about that guys. We're gonna go ahead and remove our oil filter. So if you can't remove it by hand, then we'll have to use some pliers. So I'll probably have to bring you guys right back. Man guys, this thing was on there, or it's just never been taken off for a very long time, or whoever had it last didn't put a little bit of oil on it before they torqued it down. So we're gonna go ahead and just let this fall right in there. I think this was really overdue for an oil change, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and let that drain out. We're gonna clean up the mating surface there, and you wanna always make sure that your gasket came off with your oil filter here, so you don't double gasket it and have all your oil leak out. So we're gonna go ahead and let this drain out, clean it up, and then we'll put the new one on. All right guys, here's our new oil filter. It's STP, extended life, S2XL. Okay guys, so we got our oil filter and we have our oil, 5-weight 20. This is the high mileage STP, and I like to prime the filter just a little bit. And you want to make sure to get some of this oil and put it on this ring so that you don't get a stuck oil filter like we just did. So now we're going to go ahead and put this on and pour in the oil. Alright guys, so we got our oil filter housing cleaned up. We have our new oil filter here. Come up under here and screw it on. And it needs to only be hand tight, guys. I usually do hand tight and then maybe a quarter of a turn with the wrench, depending. So there you go guys. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and pour the oil in. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so now we're just checking for leaks. Making sure we have no leaks before we top it off and send it to the customer. It would be wise to wipe this down before you try to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down and finish looking for any leaks, and then we'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so we've had the vehicle running and we have no leaks. So we don't have any leaks, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on a flat surface, check our oil level, top off if need to, and then we're good to go. All right guys, and there you have it. So it took 6 quarts of 5W20. And that's it guys, simple oil change video. Pretty much the same as all other vehicles, even with this work van, let's put it that way. So we're going to be ending it with 216,900 miles on the clock. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's good to be back. I'm going to try my best to keep sticking with this every week like I have been doing in the past. I know a lot of people have commented on some of my videos. I'm going to get to those, I promise. So anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always guys, until next time, have a good one.